Take care for your money. In this video, I will show you 7 steps that will explain how you can take care of your money and do not get into danger of indebtedness. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern-day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone, improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. Have you ever thought about money management? You spend a lot of time taking care of yourself through healthy eating, exercise, and everything women do to feel and look their best. Have you ever thought about it? If you know your finances are messy and in need of order, but don't know where to start, here are a few steps you can take to get started. Remember that money management is a lifelong process. Like diet and exercise, managing your money requires regular and consistent effort. First, let's talk about financial well-being. Financial well-being can be divided into 3 main types. 1. Financial sustainability. Financial health describes a person's financial health, including several aspects such as employee savings, fixed costs, and monthly savings trends. Strong financial health indicates a stable income stream, several investment deals with solid returns, and a stable cash balance. It helps you improve your financial situation by budgeting, creating contingency reserves, and paying off debt as soon as possible. 2. Financial behavior. The financial behavior of an employee is his attitude to his financial situation. This includes effective financial management to achieve both short and long-term financial goals. And it helps you manage your finances and withstand financial shocks. We also help organizations implement financial wellness programs. This improves the financial behavior of employees and makes them feel cared for. 3. Financial literacy. Financial literacy helps ensure that employees are financially educated. It helps them learn skills that will help them achieve financial stability, reduce financial stress and improve their financial situation, increase confidence in preparing, planning, etc. Reduced financial stress for employees, resulting in less absenteeism and lower healthcare costs for organizations. It also improves employee retention and performance in the organization. And now he is wondering why you should care about your financial well-being. Unbalanced finances can cause stress. Money can be a constant source of stress for people these days. Worrying about finances can lead to employee health issues ranging from depression and anxiety to ulcers and even heart disease. Some respondents stated that they considered or missed visits due to financial problems. So it helps to reduce financial stress for employees. This results in a healthier and happier workforce, resulting in higher productivity. Time-consuming financial management. Managing finances takes stress and time. Employees bring their worries to the workplace when they can't control their financial well-being. Some employees even take time off due to financial problems or financial emergencies. Sleep deprivation, financial problems, and caring for family members have been found to be negatively associated with productivity. Worrying about your financial well-being makes you less focused and less productive at work. Organizations should take care of the time management of their employees and help them manage their financial health. Employees seek support. Today's employees want their managers to support their financial health and want to enjoy the benefits of financial planning. In addition, they want to avoid financial stress. This is because it leads to more absenteeism, and sickness, which affects productivity. In this way, FIBE helps improve the financial health of your employees. Financial well-being improves communication. Employers are required to provide living expenses for their employees, especially those with low wages. Employees who receive this are on average 15% more engaged. They can reduce stress and focus on their work. This gesture shows employees that the organization cares about them, increasing loyalty and motivation. And when they do, their engagement increases by 38%. Thus, investing in financial well-being increases the overall well-being of employees, improving their health, productivity and engagement. Now you know why you should take care of your finances. But how can I do it? Here are 7 steps to help you manage your finances and keep your money under control. 1. Set a personal budget and stick to it. A budget is the best tool to help you live within your means. The budget calculates the money coming in and what you need to pay for things like rent, mortgage, food, utilities, and car payments. What's left can be used to pay off debt, save or spend, depending on your circumstances. 2. Create a debt repayment plan and pay off your debt. If there is a debt, it must be paid off. Being in debt costs money, and it's not cheap. Pay off your debts because the monthly interest you pay to borrow money eats into your wealth. Start with the debt with the highest interest rate and work your way down. 3. Create an emergency fund. This is handy to have in case you need emergency funds. An emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of savings to cover your expenses in case you lose your job, fall ill, or have another emergency. The emergency fund is a safety net that helps us get through the difficult financial times that life throws at us. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on "Watch Later" so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. 4. Assess your insurance needs. It is important to check your insurance coverage in case of unforeseen circumstances. Do you have disability insurance, life insurance, health insurance or dental insurance? With the right insurance, money won't be stressful when you or your family needs it. 5. Set goals based on value. Whether you need help covering the cost of your children's education, or you want to travel with your family to create great memories, make sure your financial goals align with your values. Maybe there is a special luxury item that you have always wanted to treat yourself to. Whatever it is, make sure you have a plan. Life needs entertainment. When you have a goal that is meaningful to you, working towards it is much easier than spending money on something random that has no value to you. 6. Think about investments and retirement goals. The type of retirement you want. You need to take these goals into account and start planning for them. When it comes to investing, time is on your side, so the sooner the better. However, it is never too late to start planning and investing. Take advantage of the tax incentives that are also offered to you. 7. Plan your mortgage payments. At some point, you will need to pay off your mortgage, especially towards retirement. Getting rid of your mortgage by the time you retire can help when you're living on a reduced income. Remember that a mortgage is a liability and it takes money to maintain it. Make no mistake, this is cheap debt these days, but remember that it is still debt. Personal finance management may seem like a daunting task at first, but breaking down the process step by step makes it much more manageable. The best way to accumulate wealth without getting into debt and make that money work for you. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most. That fits best to your skills and knowledge and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.